ROTC present our colors? If you will please stand.
March time. March. Present. Arms.
Repeat the Pledge of Allegiance after me. I pledge allegiance to the flag
of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Order. Arms. March time. March. Forward. March. Forward. March. Aim for it. Arms.
Thank you. We are super excited to honor you guys and all the hard work you guys have put into this school year, and we're super excited to take a look at all the free money you guys have earned. Who's excited? All right, here's Mr. Hunt.
Good morning, Knights. Congratulations on your scholarship. How awesome is it that you're, like, the end is right there, right? High school, it's almost over. You got, what, a week and a half or so left. You got money in your pocket, almost. You know, all the times you worked hard for school, all the assignments you did, when you put in that extra effort to earn that grade, you were getting paid. You just didn't get the money yet, but you're going to get it now in the form of a scholarship. So congratulations for that. Real quick, before we get started and go through the program, I want to recognize Sherry Davis, our scholarship and college access coordinator. Give her a hand, she works hard for all you guys. Miss Davis is amazing, and she spends a lot of time advocating and working for kids, trying to help them get access to college and getting the finances and the funds they need. Seriously, congratulations. You have had a very successful high school career, and you've worked harder than most, and so you've been rewarded now with scholarships. I want to point out, when we graduate at the D Event Center, we'll have a graduation ceremony. And I'm going to recognize you then at a particular point in my remarks, and so I need you to be listening to that. Today, after this assembly, you'll go out into the commons and you're going to get a folder, and on the folder there's a pin. That's your scholarship pin. Wear that at graduation. That indicates that you earned a scholarship. And I'll recognize all those who are wearing the pins at graduation. I'll ask you to stand up and receive some recognition. So be listening for that, because you deserve a ton of recognition. So I'm not going to take any more time other than telling you I'm super proud of you. Once a night, always a night. Even when you leave here in less than 2 weeks as a graduate, you're still a knight. And so honor your alma mater and make us proud, guys. Go Knights. Thanks, everybody.
Can I have Maya Rowland come up to the stage, please? Woo! scholarship, for those of you guys who don't know, is awarded to one Northridge High School student who plans to pursue a degree in the medical field. Maya is a 3.9 GPA, and she has challenged herself with AP classes and CE classes, and she's gotten awarded several other scholarships for her academics, and she is planning to pursue a career in the medical field. So congratulations.
Oh, it's so nice to breathe. Okay, they needed some comic relief, so they asked me to present some stuff, so this will be fun, okay? I'm presenting the Miles and Sarah Logan scholarships. Miles and Sarah met as students here at Northridge in a chemistry class many years ago. They live on the East Coast, and as their way to give back to their alma mater, which is Northridge High, they've selected 2 recipients of this reward, so if we can have them come up. Samantha Simpkins and Ellie Blundell. Well, don't hurry, you're not excited or anything. Come on. Okay, let's give a round of applause.
Alrighty, can I have Brayden Paxton come up, please? Okay, well, maybe Brayden's not here, so I will just tell you. Brayden is currently going to our Davis Technical College with the diesel technician program, and Keys to Success gives a scholarship every year to someone for that program, and Brayden is the recipient of that, and I'm thinking he might actually be there this period, and so he's not here. So if you see him, congrats to him.
I told you they were desperate. No, I was also asked to award the Clinton City Scholarship. If we could have Morgan Bailey come up. There were several deserving applicants who applied this year. Some of the requirements are high GPA, community service, plans for higher ed. I'm just happy to be able to hand this over to her. There you go. Congratulations.
Hey, if I could have Caitlin Dunham come up, please. The Rotary Scholarship. Now this is given to not just a Northridge student, it's offered to students throughout the district. She was the lucky one to win this scholarship, so we're really proud of her. This is a $1,000 scholarship, and the senior needs to be somebody who continues to exemplify the mission of the Rotary Club, and their mission is this. It's service above self. And they want somebody that's going to continue to inspire others. So we're really proud of you. Congratulations.
All right, can I get Nikki Lunsford and Evelyn Carver, please come on.
All right, this is the Air Force Association Scholarship, and it's awarded to senior junior ROTC cadet for excellence to be in the top 1% of their junior ROTC class. This year they go to Nikki Lunsford, who's attending with you. Who is going to go to the Air Force Academy Prep School and then on to the Air Force Academy.
So I am fortunate to get to award Valerie Lopez, and I don't think she is here. She talked to me before and said she wasn't going to be able to make it. But I am honored to award her the BMAC Scholarship, or the McKnight Scholarship, whatever you want to call it. This is a little different type of scholarship, and it goes to a student that I have in class that I think will benefit the most from some money. The money can be used to do whatever they wish to do as long as it is continuing some type of education. So it can go to tech school, it can go to college, whatever the case may be, as long as they are using it towards some type of education. It's a $3,000 scholarship. And I awarded this to Valerie Lopez, and the reason is in my class, the classes she has from me, it is very project-based. And as I look at the work that students turn in, there are a lot of students that turn in the absolute bare minimum of what they need to turn in. Valerie turned in the maximum of what she could turn in, and took every project and assignment that she had and went over and above what was required. And I know that she'll take these same traits and use this money wisely and do great things. So congratulations, Valerie.
Can I have Owen Wayman come to the stage? We want to recognize Owen as Sterling Scholar finalist. He is a stellar student and a lifelong learner, and we just want to recognize that way for the scholarship.
Last one for me. I may have told a little lie to get this student here, but can we have Angela on him? Yes, come on. I'm awarding the Northridge High School Staff Scholarship. Many students were nominated and voted on by our faculty and staff. This individual right here is a fighter, continues to overcome setbacks, and somehow still smiles. I don't understand. She's made an impact on many people in school, community, and even to a hard-headed old man like myself. So I'm proud to present this to her.
All right, I need Peyton McCollum to come up here, please. So this is for the John C. Parks Memorial Scholarship. This is in memory of John Parks, who was an outstanding teacher here at Northridge High School. He passed away from cancer. He was a wonderful example
of all the good about Northridge High. He valued education, caring, involved in student activities, kind and uplifting, high personal and professional standards, friendly, outgoing, and motivating to students, faculty, staff, and parents. Mr. Parks was a true knight. This scholarship is awarded to a student who represents these qualities. Teachers nominated students, and then the faculty voted. Peyton was the one that I nominated, and she won. Peyton is a student who emulates these qualities. She's an incredible young woman who is responsible, motivated, outgoing, and genuinely a kind and caring person. She's an outstanding student and deserves a scholarship as she furthers her education at Dixie State. Peyton is a true knight.
Awesome job, you guys. Let's get one more round of applause for all the accomplishments that you guys have achieved. Now we're going to watch an awesome slideshow to see all the scholarships that you guys have got and kind of showcase that. So, here we go.